Welcome to our October Student of the Month Assembly. This month's attribute is responsibility. I'm your narrator, Mr. Lures. This is Soren the Eagle doing the floss, and we're here to recognize some of our best students for responsibility this month here at Lewis and Clark, and to celebrate some other special awards. So let's get this party started. Our first award at this assembly is the Baby Soren Award. That goes to the class that had the most school spirit. This month, it was Miss Frederick's class. How do you feel, Miss Frederick? Our next award is the Attendance Champion. This award goes to the grade with the best attendance during live lessons in the morning. This month, the 4th grade classes won this award. Let's check in with Mr. Vincent and Miss Bergman to see how they're feeling about winning this prestigious award this month. Uh-oh, friends, we caught Miss Bergman during her nap time. Maybe Mr. Vincent will be a little more excited about winning the attendance award this month. The final miscellaneous awards for this month go to our 2 staff members of the month. This month, it's Miss Hawkins and Mr. Phil. Let's check out their reactions to winning the first staff of the month for this year. Miss Hawkins looks pretty jazzed about winning this award. I wonder how Mr. Phil must be feeling right now. Wait, Mr. Phil, it was only staff of the month. It didn't mean you could go home for the rest of the year. Mr. Phil, come back! Mr. Phil! Here are this month's Student of the Month winners for 3rd grade. In Miss Benson's class, we have Leah S. In Miss Flory's class, we have Genevieve G. In Miss Frederick's, we have Ilya C. In Miss Haig's class, we have Paul S. In Miss Lentz's class, we have Cohen S. In Mr. Olson's class, we have Lucy P. In Miss Peterson's class, we have Brawley B. In Miss Tingy's class, we have Lars K. And in Miss Welsh's class, we have Hudson A. How do we feel, Lewis and Clark staff, about our 3rd grade Student of the Month winners? We now move on to our 4th grade Student of the Month winners. In Miss Bergman's class, we have Miguel R. In Mr. C's class, we have Zoe Wright. In Miss Grothy's class, we have Javier J. In Miss Johnson's class, we have Leah J. In Miss Martin's class, we have Wyatt L. In Miss Wagner's class, we have Ainsley A. And in Miss Magnar's class, we have Mateo L. How do we feel, staff, about our 4th grade winners? Now we have our 5th grade Student of the Month Award winners. In Miss Domer's class, we have Charlotte M. In Miss Garshow's class, we have Rhea W. In Miss Haller's class, we have Viola P. Mr. Lambert's class, we have Chloe H. In Miss Law's class, we have Maggie F. In Miss Lopez's class, we have Phelan D. And in Mr. Lures' class, we have Kiera V. Ladies and gentlemen, what do we say to the 5th grade Students of the Month?
Yeah! Woo! 5th grade rules! All right! Yeah! Woo! We did it! Yeah!
Our last 2 awards are our above and beyond winners for this month. From Miss Visser's class, it is Sam B. And awarded by Miss Hawkins is Jude R. Congratulations, friends, for all our award winning for this month. We hope you enjoyed your first virtual Student of the Month Assembly. For our mascot, Soren the Eagle, I'm your narrator, Mr. Lures. We'll see you next month, where our attribute is leadership. Please turn your attention back to your teachers and make sure you vote in our presidential election and our Spirit Day choices by Friday. Have a great day, everyone.